Well, hello there. This is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap, guys. I'm so glad to have you in this particular setting today. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be making some shea butter lotion, okay? Guys, I'm a lotion fanatic when it comes down to like good texture lotions and stuff like that. You know, I do like to put them on my feet. Now, I don't really put too much lotion on my body, but you know, when it comes down to these old ashy toes, I love me some lotion, okay? All right. So we got our double boiling method going or whatever. So you guys hear the water in the background. We're going to go ahead and we're going to weigh out our butters and our ingredients that need to be melted down. Now, this particular recipe will be posted, this tutorial. Everything that you are looking for will be posted in Patreon, guys. That's right, we have a Patreon and it is $10 a month. You have unlimited access to so many recipes, candle making videos, candle making, wax melts, this and dessert candles. It's just so much that I have posted within these 4 days that I started the Patreon that you guys will be just so happy, like, oh my God, I get all of this for $10. It's really worth it. Okay, all right, so let me go ahead. We're gonna start adding our butters and everything that need to be melted down to this bowl. And then after that, we're gonna melt it down. If you guys can't see it, I didn't put it there. BTMS 50. I also use shea butter, distilled water. I used the preservative, which was Germall Plus, and also vegetable glycerin to make this particular lotion. Okay, guys, go ahead and give me a thumb up and make sure you join the Patreon. Okay, family, this is everything that I am going to be melting down. This is shea butter, safflower oil, and I have an emulsifier in here. So I'm going to just go ahead and melt all of this down, and then we're going to come back and we're going to do the second phase. Okay, guys, so you're going to need some distilled water, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to add vegetable glycerin, okay? You're going to add vegetable glycerin to that distilled water. Okay, guys, so I have everything melted down. So I'm going to go ahead and just combine this to the water. Let me go ahead and pull the camera back so you guys can see it fully. Okay, so now what you're going to need is you're going to need your stick blender. So I'm going to go ahead and remove everything from the scale. And we're just going to go ahead and we're going to stick blend, and then we're going to add our preservative. Okay, so usually I add fragrance to my lotions and stuff like that. You know, I'm just going to go ahead and add some essential oils. The reason why I chose essential oils is because my husband loves the smell of peppermint. So I wanted to give him something that was kind of like therapy. So I'm going to go ahead and stick blend it and combine everything. And then after that, I'm going to add my preservative. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we are finished. I added my preservative. Anything that requires water, when you use water, you definitely need a preservative. And it's a nice thin consistency where we can use a funnel without a problemo, okay? So now that I got all of this done, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add this to a bottle. And that is it, guys. You will see me in the end, post some pictures of it. Okay, so I went ahead and added a little bit of green mica to my lotion because I was like, okay, we're going to name it Winter Mint. So I just want a little bit of green, okay? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just give it a little. the colors. But I wanted to keep it as natural as possible. You know, when you start adding certain things, people look at it and they're like, oh no, I don't want that. You know, so I wanted to keep it as natural as possible, and this is perfect. I like it. It's a very light green, not too dark. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead next, and I'm going to start adding it to my bottle. Okay, I'm going to pour it in here. As you can see, it goes in through the funnel perfectly. You don't have to really do too much banging just to get it to go. So I'm just gonna leave it like that and let it just kind of go down a little bit so I can know. Definitely wanna make sure I leave enough room for the pump, you know, because when you put your pump in there, it kind of pushes it up to the top a little bit too as well. So I wanna fill my bottle up, not all the way, but just, you know, to a good place where, you know, it would look if I brought it out the store. Okay, all right, so I got pretty much everything out of here. I just want to scrape a little bit, just a little. The bottle is full, you know, so now I'm overdoing it. All right, let me go ahead and put my pump on.